PRSO is in fact the top stock on our movers tool here today, 100+% runner so far. This stock was a penny stock, so it's coming from penny territory, but up pretty huge here. Pasaro's 60 gigahertz wave technology selected for the next generation drone identification systems for military applications. I'm entirely unsurprised to see this type of reaction with drone news like this. Let's see. The Intact selects Paraso's 60 gigahertz technology for new. Okay, so that's the same thing there. So, all right, 13. Driving it higher here. Let's check some of the stats. 2.61% of the float short of 1 day to cover. I got to think that that's negligible. That percentage of float is pretty low. The days to cover is nothing. On average, the stock trades 400,000 shares. Today, it's traded 100 million. 100 million. Floats 9.1 million. 13, what do you think here? PRSO.
Well, this company is going to be one of several that I've looked at today that are having earnings coming up around the St. Patrick's Day holiday, if not on that very holiday. Company has earnings on the 18th, and they only have, what I can tell from their balance sheet, a quarter of cash. So haven't seen any capital raises or any, maybe there's going to be some more profitability showing up on their balance sheet when they, or their income statement when they report on the 18th. But I'm a little concerned about their cash position right now. That, like I said, it's only a quarter. So hopefully there's going to be something that alleviates that concern in their earnings report. As you put it, they were selected by Intact for their 60 gigahertz millimeter wave tech for drone friend or foe identification. Right now, the stock is moving, or was trying to move away from the VWAP just as we were talking about it. It got almost all the way up to a resistance area of around 190. If we manage to get through that, I have another level all the way up to 235, which if we continue higher than that, we will gap fill into $3. But this 235 area, this could be a pretty tough resistance area to get through, as evidenced by the last time it was up in that region back on October 16th. We came right back in the next day and ended up in this sideways consolidation channel. I don't know if we're going to end up getting something similar to that. A lot of these penny names, they can come right back in and fall into their sideways consolidation, as this one has. But with the Iran war and the hype around drones, I think this may have a little bit more staying power. Let's see if it can hold the rest of the day above at least 160.